Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got another headlamp going on here. I did a review on this one, the Extremist, but this brand, they just don't sell this brand anymore. They have the same exact lights, it looks exactly the same features. Like I tell you guys already, like usually in overseas, they have, one person, one big company making, 100,000 of these, and then they sell, 20,000 of 5 different name brands, and they just stick this usually like something stretchy, they'll just stick this on with their name on it, or some will just put a sticker and be really lazy about it. But anyway, that's kind of what's up, because they do not sell this brand anymore from what I saw, so but they do sell this exact layout. This exact model is what they sell, just with someone else's name on it. All right, so we got these ones. I'm not sure, I'm not the one who picked these out, someone picked these out for me. Let's see how they are with a review. I don't need anything crazy, as you guys saw. I don't even know how much these were. Usually I get the 2-pack that are like 2 for 15, 2 for 20. All right, is usually what I get, but let's check out this brand right here. All right, so this is the instruction manual. I tell you guys, I always like to put this up because I lose mine all the time. And then you can come back and give that a pause and have the product, in back of you at the same time. Like I said, these are the 2-pack. Comes with these, the bands come separate. I think these ones were already wrapped up. Wow, this band looks huge. I know you can make it to a smaller size, but that band looks monstrous. And if you know, guys, these bands, they do wear out, and what'll happen is, these will stretch out, and then they don't hold on your head anymore. I would say that takes anywhere from, it depends on how much you use it, but I've seen anywhere mild use, after 2 years, mine start to get loose. So maybe under a year, this will get loose for you. And that's why you might want to get, if you're doing this for a high profession and you're using it as a write-off and you use it to rely on your business income, you're going to most likely get like a $50, $60 headlight, and hopefully you don't lose it. My problem is, in the field, guys, I always left stuff behind. I was always leaving stuff at the job sites all of the time, and then other contractors would come and steal it. I guess finders keepers, I guess you can call it. So I didn't like to buy expensive stuff in the field, because I would leave it, and then what is it good if I lose it 3 months later? It wasn't good for me. So the cheaper stuff and then losing it and that I didn't care was a better thing for my mindset, all right, just because I'm irresponsible in that matter. So they give you some cords here. Here's how long the cords are. All right, you guys know I like to put the measuring instrument on all my videos so you guys can scale everything properly. I find it's a little bit easier, but here we go at, we got this, this is like 19 inches over here is what we got for this, for the cords that they do give you. They're just, they are USB-C, which is cool. That is a newer charging. So I guess you just fit it in there. So I'll be cool, and make sure you put it in the right way. It's gonna fold down, okay? So this should be the up position. And I'm just a Virgo, so I have a problem. If you see my videos, I overdo everything to make sure it's just really good. Just preventative maintenance thing that I got going on. But anyway, let's put this on here. It looks pretty simple. You're just going to, slip it in here. And I'm going to have, my label upright so that people can, pretend to read it and care. Now, hopefully it's charged a little bit right now. Well, who cares? I'm going to charge it up, then we're going to come back and, review it, because I don't want to review this and it's not fully charged. That doesn't really make sense. But anyway, let's see what it looks like on my head. Wow, that is really loose. This band is monstrous, guys. Okay, maybe that should be tight enough. You don't want this, you want it a little tight so you can, because sometimes you bang your head into something. You guys know, you're fixing something, you bang your head. I don't want it to just fall off all the time. Then, what's that make sense? So here's what it looks like. That's what this one looks like, okay? 1, 2, it has 3 positions down, just like the normal that they all have, 3 positions down. This is what it looks like from the side. This is what it's going to look like from the back over there, okay? And yeah, that's about it. I mean, like I said, they have the same exact model, so you guys can just see. This one has a bunch of LEDs, but this one is more of a spotlight. So maybe this one might be more important because of the spotlight. I'm not sure. They both have this waving hand feature that you can wave your hand. I never use that. I don't know if you guys do. The reason why I don't is because I'm in the moment fixing stuff, and I hate by accident, I move my head and say there's a shelf or say there's anything by me, I'll move my head and then it'll shut off the light because it thinks it's my hand. I hate that, you know what I mean? Especially if I'm working with a torch or I'm working with electrical that I don't want to get electrocuted in the you know, dim light. It's kind of like a safety thing. I don't like that. I like it just having it on and it's good. Just to let you know, my opinion might work for you, whatever. Because if you're out in the street, I guess it would work fine doing this because you're not going to have anything by you in an opened area. All right. But yeah, let's see the weight of these so you know how much weight you're gonna have on your head. Okay, total weight for this one, guys, is 92 grams is what you can expect to have on your head. All right, now the weight of this one, like I said, this one they do sell them on Amazon, this model, just not this Extremist brand. They call it something else now. Okay, so for the other one that I do have, it's 69 grams. Okay, so it is a lot lighter. All right. I do like lightness, if you know me. The only thing is the band did wear out after a few years, but the lightness is awesome. 69 grams. You guys might think that's not a lot, but when you're in hours and hours of work, it's the same thing like they tell you, you know, hold out, hold a pound close to you, and then that's nothing, right? But then you hold the pound, you know, out as far as you can. Then it's a pound is really, really heavy. It's based on the leverage, you know what I mean? So this on my head, after hours and hours, you know what I mean? It starts to wear on you. You know, you don't notice it if you have it on for 15 minutes, but when you have it on for hours, you do notice. All right. So none of them give you a charging box anymore. Okay, just to let you know, the one that plugs into the wall, the transformer, they don't give you this power supply little thing here anymore. And it is what it is. But let's plug it in and see what it looks like when it starts charging. So it has a little port just like here. It's more like a dust water resistant port. It's not waterproof, guys. It's just like a dust or water resistant kind of thing. All right, you plug that in. And then the lights on the front light up, where when you plug it in, the lights on the side light up. All right. And yeah, this is we're gonna wait till this gets to full and then give it a test out. And all right, and then we'll be back. All right.